Welcome to the north coast of the Dominican Republic, a region brimming with natural diversity with lush vegetation, historic landmarks, 57 kilometers of stunning sandy beaches with crystal clear waters, tropical rivers, mountain ranges, natural parks, eco-lodges and cruise ship ports. This area offers something for everyone: thrill seekers, those in search of tranquil remote escapes, and lovers of all-inclusive resorts. Tourism on the north coast centers around the Puerto Plata province, home to coastal towns like Sosua and Cabarete. Also further down the coast, there's Rio San Juan and Cabrera. Puerto Plata is where Dominican tourism began in the 1980s, attracting European visitors first, then followed by travelers from the US and Canada. Here, the authentic Dominican Republic, with its traditional charm, remains intact, unlike the more commercialized areas like Punta Cana and the southern regions. On the north coast, you won't find concrete jungles or kilometers of center road walls that you have to try to get past. Instead, you'll drive along highways lined with lush vegetation and palms, with glimpses of beautiful beaches, and so far you can get easy access to many unique beaches all the way along the north coast. For years, the north coast has been a magnet for expats from around the world who's helped shape the region into a welcoming place for both relocation and for vacationing. Yet it still offers a truly Dominican experience, fascinating and unique. When you visit up here, you'll know you've been to the Dominican Republic. Puerto Plata, the third largest city in Dominican Republic, was colonized by the Spaniards around 1502. The city's charm is enhanced by its variety of Victorian architecture. The delicately carved wood and pastel colors of its houses and public buildings evoke a romantic past, earning the old city a designation as an UNESCO World Heritage Site. The historical area spans 60 blocks, stretching from the bay to the foot of Mount Isabella. The San Felipe Fortress, approximately 400 years old, overlooks the port with the newer La Puntilla Park built around it. Puerto Plata is home to many notable firsts in the Dominican Republic. The first European settlement in the New World, the first cable car in the Caribbean, the first tourism destination in Dominican Republic developed in the 80s with Playa Dorada, the House of Brugal, the rum factory, ranked third in the world, the venue for the DR Jazz Festival, and the Latin American PGA Tour. Gregorio Luperon International Airport, also called POP, is the fourth busiest airport in Dominican Republic. Puerto Plata also boasts two cruise ship ports, Amber Cove, which opened in 2015, and Taino Bay, which opened in 2021, together bringing over 1 million visitors per year. let's ask some people on the street what they think about the north coast of the DR. Yeah, I'm with Mo and Ray from Atlanta and Georgia.
Valdosta, Georgia.
Fantastic. And how do you like the north coast?
I think it's a beautiful place. It's a great experience for anybody to come.
Yeah.
You might be interested in a lot more than just coming and seeing.
For me, this is paradise, man. A very, very beautiful paradise.
So you come down here occasionally?
My very first time I came for my birthday, so and I got a great
Happy birthday. Very good.
My birthday was on the 10th also.
Oh, happy birthday. All right.
Hanging out together, enjoying paradise.
Fantastic. Have a wonderful trip, and thanks for commenting.
Thank you, Mr. T.
And for watching. Cheers. So, how do you like the North Coast?
It's absolutely beautiful here. Beaches are awesome, good for everybody. Nightlife, there's plenty to do.
The sun, the weather, I love this. I love all of this. I recommend this place because it's fantastic, it's positive. Tranquilo, ¿cómo se dice?
Yeah, laid back and relaxed.
Yes, relaxed.
Fantastic. Great comment, and keep enjoying it.
Thank you. You
Thanks,
too.
Marco.
Bye.
Cheers. Sosua, once a small coastal village established by German Jewish immigrants. Sosua has transformed into a popular destination. With its breathtaking beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rapidly growing infrastructure, it's a fantastic spot for expats. Cabrera. Originally a quiet fishing village, Cabrera is now a water sports mecca, known for surfing, kite surfing, windsurfing, and many other water sports. Cabarete boasts the longest and windiest beach in the Dominican Republic. And it attracts long-term vacationers and expats from around the world. Rio San Juan. Though less known for tourist attractions, Rio San Juan is being discovered as a tranquil and appealing destination. it's full of hidden gems like lagoons, cenotes, and remote beaches. This charming town is just a couple of hours drive from Puerto Plata. Cabrera, a tranquil beach town known for its pristine, less crowded beaches, enchanting cenotes, waterfalls, rivers, and golf courses. Located just 3 hours drive approximately from Puerto Plata, Cabrera offers a peaceful retreat. Recently, a coastal boulevard, the Malecon, was built, providing visitors with a perfect spot to relax and enjoy ocean views. Cabrera remains relatively undiscovered by tourists, preserving its unique and untouched charm. However, its many kilometers of stunning beaches do tend to fill up with locals on Sundays. There you go, folks. I hope you found this video enjoyable and educational. And feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Now, if you're thinking of relocating to the north coast of the DR, then feel free to hire me as your relocation consultant. And you can do that on the email seen below. Also, make sure you check my online information website for the DR called InfoHub. And you can subscribe simply by sending us an email and requesting that at info@educatedtraveler.info. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.
A little bit of a dip now. Get my cap off and there they go.